And welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you can extend your computer's screen to an external monitor. So if you're plugging an external monitor via HDMI cable, VGA cable, or even via docking station, then this video is for you. The first thing which you want to do, you want to press the X sign in the same time with the Windows sign button in your keyboard. If you don't know, just check your keyboard and you will find a Windows sign or the Windows logo button next to the letter X. Click on them at the same time and these options should appear. Then click Mobility Center, which is the second choice in this list. The next step, select Disconnect Display. This menu on the right will appear, and from here we're going to select. So here you will have different setups. So you can only use the second screen only, extend if you want to have two monitors for working, each one showing different content. You can click duplicate if you want just to duplicate your laptop screen into an external monitor, or you can just use the PC screen only. Once you have selected, just click on the exact option. So here I have selected extend by clicking on it, and it shows in orange. So if you click on duplicate, it should show in orange for you. Next step, click outside, and you should be able to see your settings. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance with that, just leave us a comment with full description of the issue and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching.